How does climate change affect beluga whales? Have you ever wondered how climate change impacts the fascinating beluga whale? These unique marine mammals are facing significant challenges due to our changing planet. Beluga whales primarily inhabit Arctic and subarctic waters, where climate change is altering their environment in profound ways. One major effect is the reduction of sea ice. Sea ice is essential for belugas as it serves as a platform for feeding, breeding, and migrating. With the ice melting earlier in the spring and forming later in the fall, belugas must adapt their migration patterns. This change can lead to unpredictable ice conditions, increasing the risk of becoming trapped. When trapped, they have reduced access to food and become more vulnerable to predators. Another concern is how climate change affects the availability of food for belugas. As ocean temperatures rise and ice coverage changes, the distribution of their prey is also impacted. Belugas may need to dive longer, deeper, and more frequently to find food. This increased effort can lead to higher energy expenditure, which can affect their reproductive success. For endangered populations, this makes recovery even more challenging. Moreover, as sea ice declines, human activity in these areas is increasing. More ships are navigating through previously inaccessible waters, and oil exploration is on the rise. This surge in human activity poses additional threats to beluga whales. Noise pollution from ships can interfere with their communication and echolocation, while habitat disruption can affect their feeding and breeding grounds. There is also an increased risk of collisions with vessels, which can be fatal. Looking ahead, the future of beluga whales is closely linked to climate change. As sea temperatures continue to rise, their habitats are expected to warm, which may lead to changes in how and where they gather. To help protect these remarkable creatures, it is essential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and safeguard their habitats from increased marine traffic. By taking these steps, we can support the health of beluga whales and the Arctic ecosystems they inhabit. Understanding the effects of climate change on beluga whales is vital for their conservation and the preservation of marine life in our oceans.